fellas. You hooked up, man. So he's leaving too, buddy. So he's leaving out. Still trying to get by. Yeah, it seems like a good fish, fella. I thought you leaving out, man. Definitely gonna need the net. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need the net. I'm pretty sure this is a flathead. I hadn't felt him roll not one time. There goes the bulldog. He's bulldogging us down, fella. That joker's rolling some drag, guys. Look at that thing go. This is interesting. We pulled off anchor here. We got a big fish on too. I mean a good one. I can't even hold the boat up here with the net. That's all I got to hold it up here with right now. I've been in a lot of predicaments, but never this one. I ain't exactly sure what to do. I think what I'm gonna do is try to get on this dock right here. Retie. I got to tie back off. Dude got me sweating, man. The wind's blowing about 20. And somehow, some way it flipped us off. We were tied to this dock and somehow it come away. I believe this is a good fish, guys. This could be a full bed pig right here. Come on to the whisker pig. Yes! Yeah, let's go pull him, buddy. I mean, he's rolling that drag. Look at this thing. We can't gain nothing on him hardly. Hooked up on double. got a rod going right here too. I can't do nothing with this fish, man. I'm gonna have to put some pull on him. I can't get him off the bottom. I mean, I can't break this sucker up off the bottom. There he is. He's got the other lines what it is. I'm gonna have to net this guy as quick as I can, man. This joker's done messed us up today. Oh yeah, got him in the bag. Whew, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I still think we got a fish on this line out here, guys. Got him in the boat. All right, we got this one in the boat. We're gonna see if we pick up this other one. I don't think this is as big a fish. Nope. It's a really, really nice channel, it looks like. Yep. That's a nice channel cat there. Man, these jokers give me a run for the money, cuz I got heavy clothes on because it's really cold this morning. That's a nice channel cat. We're gonna throw him back in there and try to get his flathead out of there. I haven't been tournament fishing, and they fishing a benefit tournament out here today. I thought I'd try to keep up with what I caught, just to see how we stack up against the big guys. That one weighs 415. Call him a 5-pounder. All right, guys, we'll let you get a good look at him. That's a pretty fish. With our scales tired out, he weighs 33.95. That's a nice fish, guys. Thank you so much, my friend. Nothing like a big old full-bearded pig there. That was a good one, man. Try to get him revitalized here and send him on back down there. Let somebody else catch him when he's big. Nice one, fish, man. All right, dude. There he goes, fella. Whoo, Lord. Old dude's too old for all that. That was awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. You can't beat that stuff. We got a front coming in. It's supposed to rain about 11 o'clock, 10:30, something like that. And the wind's blowing up in this pocket, and these fish has been up in the back. and pull out into the front. We're gonna throw it back out there and see what else we can get out of it. So it's fun, dudes. Yeah, that guy came on a little piece of brim head. I'm still out of breath, man. Got the boat pulled back up here, fixed back up. We're gonna reel this stuff in, check the stuff. I don't know where we got bites on the rest of it or not. We're gonna check it and throw it back out there. That was actually fun there, guys. I mean, nothing like wrestling a full-big pig. He had whiskers for miles. Nice fish on a cold front type day like this. Ha, so fun. Oh, we got a tree or fish. We got something. Might have got a limb. Oh, got another kitty cat. Another channel. Yeah, we go to reeling the rods back up. Got another channel cat on here. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. Yeah, I'm starting to get the rods reeled back up from these flatheads. There's a fish on the thing, got me in a bush. I thought we was hooked up again. Yeah, guys, we're gonna rig us up a rod for some donkey bait. We're gonna fish an 9/0 hook on it. This is a big head. I got a head right here. I know there's fish out here right now in this spot big enough to eat it. So we're gonna rig this rod and send that dude out there. You gotta dream big, don't you? All right, fellas, I got it hooked up. We got a 4-ounce piece of lead, sinker slide. I always put a bead over the knot, even though the sinker slide's plastic. I'm fishing a 40-pound main line, Andy Monster. Fishing a 50-pound leader, a couple of rattles, and I put a bead in between these rattles. In my mind, it gives them a little more action. Where it does or not, I ain't sure about it. I'm fishing a generic type of demon dragon. It's just one of these huge Zara spooks painted, 9/0, and a big old piece of brim head. I know when Epic and them fish, they fish a big old donkey bait, but we're not in the Mississippi River. We're in a small southern reservoir. So here, this is a really big bait. So we're gonna send it on out there and see if we can get a bite on this thing. We're praying for some magic. Just gonna let this thing settle down, and whatever rod it settles up on, we'll reel the one up under it. Up there close to it, we reel it back in and send it back out. I really think they're gonna hit a smaller bait for this because of this front coming up in here like this. Usually they won't eat as big a bait. As you saw, that flathead came on a really small piece of brim head. But it never hurts to try. I'm just learning, so experiment. I mean, I got 10 rods out. I can risk one of them. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Here we go, fellas. He's fighting it, I don't know where he's got it. There he goes. Let's see what we got now. He's all herky and jerky in this channel, I believe. I can't believe that dude done let us reel him past all that stuff out there. It's gotta be a little small fish. trout here. That dude, that could be bait. We'll take it though. Be thankful for it. Nice channel, a little small one. All in all, pretty fish. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it, man. Yeah, these fish, they trying to eat. The water temperature stayed up in the mid 70s up until about last week, and it dropped a little bit, and it's done dropped 6 degrees in the past 3 days. So they got that urgency, like I talked about on the last video. I'm just having a good time. Good guys. We got somebody. We got somebody. Big fish. Take what we can get. They flurried on me this morning. This channel is a pretty nice fish. Started out all herky-jerky. You'll never know when they're wrapped up in the line or what. Go for the net. Man, I got so excited I never put the net together a while ago. After that flathead, I never put the handle back in the net. It's a nice channel cat there. We're thinking I get the handle in this thing. It's all in the preparation, man. Sometimes you get it together, sometimes you don't. So far, not a catastrophe. Got the net put together. It's a channel cat pulling drag. In the bag. Got that dude in the sack. Good looking fish, man. Oh yeah. Come on, dude. Yeah, that's a pretty channel cat there. I'm looking at his tail back there. It is a channel. Got that blue look to him. It's a channel cat. I can see the gold up on his back. If you look real close on the back of his tail back here, you see the spots left on him right there. Let's see what this guy weighs. Well, he weighs 1089. I can't get the scales a lot. The boat's moving around so much. Yeah, we in one of those spots right here with it's just a lot of bait and a lot of fish. I may sit here the rest of the day. I may move and fish this thing from different angles and stuff, but I may wait them out the rest of the day right here. It is a lot of bait up in this pocket right here. That's some good stuff, guys. All right, we're gonna send him back in. We're gonna send him back in here. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it. appreciate it, man. That was some good stuff. Yeah, that was a good fish there. Channel cats, that's a pretty good sized fish. We're having a good time, even though it's cold and windy. Put your chain on it. You let enough line out, it'll hold you. Let's go again. See what we got this time. Yeah, it's a bunch of fish in this thing, man. This is a channel cat. All right, we hooked up, fellas. Yeah, man, I just another spot right here, man. Come up this way. I will, when you come in here, call me and I'll show you where I was gonna go next. All right, man. All right, bye. Yep, that's another channel, guys. Not no giant, but a fish. Try to get this glove off. My other one done got wet and it ain't no good. A wet glove like a boot with a hole in it, ain't no good but nothing. Another little small channel cat. But we know there's some better fish up in here, so we're gonna keep on fishing on these things. It ought to be good. We thank you, sir, and you have a great day. We appreciate your business. Man, it is howling, guys. Yeah, guys, when you look out across through there, we're not even in the wind. There's a point right here that's got it blocked off of us a good bit. I mean, right here where we're sitting at, there's no whitecaps, but if you look out across the lake out there, it's pretty good size. Really small lake, man. This thing's probably 1.25 miles wide right here. But it's got a blow going on right now. Let's see what else we can catch. Oh, he let it go. We had another bite right there, he let it go. There's another bunch of fish moving through here. Look at this. Right here. We hooked up again, guys. Yeah, it's another school of fish done moved up in here. No doubt it's another school of fish coming through right now. We're in a cove that's loaded with bait. I mean loaded. This seems to be channel cats, but we know there's some bigger ones in this bunch. I'm just throwing the other rod back out. We hooked up again. Not a bad one. We'll take them all day long. Oh! That dude trying to show out. Calm down. It's a nice one, man. We'll take them. We'll take them like this all day. We on, guys. We hooked up finally. We've been sitting there about 2 hours waiting. We finally hooked up, man. What is it about when every time you get ready to go and start reeling the stuff up, you'll get another bite? Come on, fishy fishy. Come on up in here. Yeah, I was about to go back and ride back down through here again and see what we had left for fish out here. I had marked a bunch of fish and a bunch of bait this morning. This size right here is all that's left in here. And I'm gonna have to go hunt for some bigger fish. That's a nice channel cat. Let me get my glove off. I don't want to get my hands wet. The wind done got up now to where it's probably gusting at 30 miles an hour or so. Yep, that's one of them lady channel cats. I'm telling you, This fish is as hard on the belly as it is on the back. They are feeding up in the wintertime. It's that urgency comes when the temperature starts dropping like this. Yeah, we're gonna throw her back in here. We thank you much, we appreciate it. Come again. Yeah, I was reeling the stuff up to go back out through here and look. This place had just loads of bait in it this morning, and I had a friend ride through here a while ago. He said they were gone, so I was getting ready to take a look at the thing. I can always come back to this place, but you don't want to sit somewhere too long. And it's been about an hour and a half since they got a hit, so we were about to make an adjustment here. Well, guys, we got a fish on our stuff, and the only reason I know he's on that is he's on top of the water. So it's a high possibility this dude's hung up in something else. We do got him on though. Yeah, all I hear is the fish splashing on the water. Another channel. Yeah, I say that one's probably 4 foot deep. Not a bad one. Y'all hear me talk about these ladyfish. This guy here's mouth as wide as his whole head is right there. The ladyfish mouth will be like right here. Narrow. Not a bad one though. We thank you, sir. We appreciate your business. Come back to see us and tell your friends. Yeah, we're sitting on the other side of the lake up in the back of a pocket. Trying to see where we can get a bite again or not. There was some flatheads in here a few days back. I figured this cold probably moved them out of here though. All you can do is just check it out and try it though, isn't it? Oh, getting hit right here, fella. Getting a bite right here. There we go. Just like that. Just on like Donkey Kong. I don't think this is a big fish, but we'll take that sucker. Yeah, guys, we've been on for 3 minutes and 14 seconds. It just seems like they'll hit. All of a sudden, they just turn on and start to hit. Get my coffee out of the way. Looks like another little channel here. Oh yeah. See that guy, he looks like a blue cat. The color on him and all, he looks like a blue cat. Hooked through the top lip. And get the thing to come out there. It looks like a blue cat when you look at it from the top. But you see this curved fin right here, you know it's the channel. And when you get right up on him, you can start to see little spots right here. All in all, not a bad fish. All right, I'm gonna give you one more look, send him on back in here. We thank you, sir. We appreciate your business. Thank you and come again. Yep, guys, I was reeling the rod up. We just caught one on the shallow side of this thing. And I'm reeling up one rod and look around, another one's going down. I don't know what makes them bite like that. You get 2 or 3, but I mean, these fish are probably 80 yards apart. So you don't think it would be one exciting another one, but I don't know. I just enjoy catching them. Well, I think this sucker right here might get it. He's looking like he might be wanting to play for keeps. We hooked up again, my friend. Hooked up, fish on. He's doing the double herky jerky. So we about to say he's a channel cat. He's rolling all around, acting all crazy. Nice one there. That's a nice fish there. For a channel cat, it's a nice one. We got a fish on this side. Y'all look what I'm trying to do. Little pot, little stove. Trying to heat up some lunch. Y'all think I'm kidding you when I say all you got to do is break out some food and they'll jump all over you. I don't think that dude cooked real good. So we're gonna give him some net. We're gonna introduce him to the net. He gets a ride in the sack. A ride in the sack. Yeah, somehow I feel like he ain't quite excited about riding in the sack as I am about getting him in there. I'm gonna move his stuff out of the way. Cause you know what he'll do, he'll throw. You get him in here, he'll flop around and land in your lunch. Not a bad fish though, really. For a channel cat, they nice ones, man. Probably 5-6 pounds. Maybe a little bit better than that, but yep, not a bad one. We're gonna let him back in here. Yeah, I'm telling you, every time you try to get something to eat, somebody gonna have to come up in there and try to mess you up. But I can take interruptions like that. We're gonna throw this guy back out here and try to heat this bowl of chili back up. Well guys, that's gonna bring us to a close here. We got we're gonna go back and watch this weigh-in up here today. And I'd like to thank you for joining me here on Whisker Pig Fishing. I'd like to just ask you to like and subscribe to our page. We're trying to get this thing up and running where we can do some live streams. Also, check us out on Facebook at Whisker Pig Fishing. And again, I'd like to thank you for joining me here. And as always, have a great day and God bless.